Working in a sandblasting suit or near a welding station is usually a recipe for heat exhaustion, but this little device from SHUNJIE tries to change that dynamic. It is essentially a vortex tube cooler that turns standard compressed air into a stream of chilled air, and honestly, it is surprisingly effective for how simple the design is. When you pick it up, the first thing you notice is the weight, or rather the lack of it. The blue housing feels rugged enough to handle a shop environment, while that clear polycarbonate section lets you see exactly what is going on inside. Just a heads up though, keep the harsh chemicals away from that clear part. No thinners or alcohol for cleaning, just stick to some basic dish soap and you will be fine. What makes this thing stand out is the complete lack of moving parts. There is no motor to burn out, no electrical hum, and absolutely no risk of sparks, which is a massive relief if you are working in an environment where safety is the top priority. It is a purely mechanical process, so you get that instant cooling effect the moment you open the valve. You are looking at a flow rate that can hit 35 SCFM, and it manages to pull off about 2,500 BTU per hour of cooling power. That is a significant drop in temperature when you are stuck in a hot suit or dealing with radiant heat from a weld. Operating it is as straightforward as it gets. There is a simple knob to dial in your settings, and once you have it set, it stays remarkably consistent. As long as your air pressure and supply temperature don't fluctuate wildly, the output stays locked in within a degree or so. It is one of those tools that just does its job without needing a manual the size of a phone book. Now, it is not perfect. Because it relies entirely on your shop's compressed air, you really need a decent compressor setup to get the most out of it. If your air supply is weak or inconsistent, you are going to feel that reflected in the cooling performance. It is also a bit of a one-trick pony, but for the specific tasks it is built for, it is a solid piece of kit. If you're tired of sweating through your gear and want something that is reliable, portable, and doesn't require a degree in engineering to operate, this is definitely worth a look. It is a simple, no-nonsense solution to a very common, very uncomfortable problem.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.